Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn square root method for quadratic equations. We use this method when the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has no middle term. Means the equation is of the type ax square plus c equal to 0. Now let's see how to solve it. Let's move to step 1. Now write the equation in the standard form ax square plus c equal to 0. Now step 2 is isolate x square, means first take the constant c on the right side of the equation. So ax square is equal to minus c, and then isolate x square by taking a on the right hand side of the equation. So the equation now will be x square is equal to minus c by a. Now the next step is to take the square root on both the side of the equation. Now the equation is x square is equal to minus c by a. Taking square root, we will get x is equal to plus or minus under root minus c by a. Now step 4 is we will get two solutions because of plus or minus sign. Let's take an example. X square minus 25 is equal to 0. Now step 1 is to write the equation in the standard form. So x square minus 25 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 25. Step 2 is isolate x square. So x square will be equal to 25 by 1. Step 3 is taking square root on both the side. That is under root x square is equal to plus or minus under root 25. That is x is equal to plus or minus 5. So the answer will be x is equal to plus 5 and x is equal to minus 5. Now let's take one more example. 2x square minus 18 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 18. Now isolate x square. So x square will be equal to 18 by 2, which will be equal to 9. So now next step will be taking square root on both the sides. So if we take square root, so under root x square, which is equal to under root 9 plus or minus 9, which is equal to x is equal to plus or minus 3. Now why we are writing plus or minus sign while taking square root? Let's understand. When we solve x square is equal to 25, that means x is multiplied by itself to get 25. So x is equal to 5 works because 5 square is equal to 25. But x is equal to minus 5 also works because minus 5 square is also 25, because minus and minus gives plus. That's why we write x is equal to plus or minus 5. General rule. Whenever we take square root on both the sides in algebra x square is equal to k, we must write x is equal to plus or minus under root k, because both the signs plus and minus satisfy the equation. Or the shortcut to remember this is square root always give two answers, one positive and one negative.